New day, new challenge. Grab a coffee, clear your mind. Here are 25 questions to test how sharp you really are today. Here's your first question. Which country is famous for the ancient pyramids of Giza? Your options are A. Mexico, B. Egypt, C. Peru, D. Greece. The correct answer is B. Egypt. Here's your second question. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? Your options are A. Heart, B. Liver, C. Lungs, D. Kidney. The correct answer is B. Liver. Here's your third question. Which U.S. state is known for producing the most oranges? Your options are A. California, B. Florida, C. Texas, D. Georgia. The correct answer is B. Florida. Here's your fourth question. What is the study of weather and climate called? Your options are A. Geology, B. Meteorology, C. Astronomy, D. Ecology. The correct answer is B. Meteorology. Here's your fifth question. Which country invented the game of golf? Your options are A. England, B. Ireland, C. Scotland, D. Wales. The correct answer is C. Scotland. Here's your sixth question. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Your options are A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. The correct answer is C. 7. Here's your seventh question. Which U.S. city is known as the Windy City? Your options are A. Boston, B. Chicago, C. Detroit, D. Seattle. The correct answer is B. Chicago. Here's your eighth question. What is the main gas found in the air we breathe? Your options are A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is C. Nitrogen. Here's your ninth question. Which animal is the tallest land mammal? Your options are A. Elephant, B. Giraffe, C. Camel, D. Horse. The correct answer is B. Giraffe. Here's your 10th question. Which country consumes the most coffee per capita? Your options are A. USA, B. Brazil, C. Finland, D. Italy. The correct answer is C. Finland. Here's your 11th question. What do you call a shape with 8 sides? Your options are A. Hexagon, B. Heptagon, C. Octagon, D. Pentagon. The correct answer is C. Octagon. Here's your 12th question. Which organ pumps blood throughout the human body? Your options are A. Brain, B. Liver, C. Heart, D. Lungs. The correct answer is C. Heart. Here's your 13th question. Which country is home to the Great Barrier Reef? Your options are A. Indonesia, B. Australia, C. Thailand, D. Philippines. The correct answer is B. Australia. Here's your 14th question. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? Your options are A. 90 degrees Celsius, B. 100 degrees Celsius, C. 110 degrees Celsius, D. 120 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is B. 100 degrees Celsius. Here's your 15th question. Which U.S. president served as a general before becoming president? Your options are A. John F. Kennedy, B. Dwight D. Eisenhower, C. Richard Nixon, D. Jimmy Carter. The correct answer is B. Dwight D. Eisenhower. Here's your 16th question. What is a group of lions called? Your options are A. Herd, B. Pack, C. Pride, D. Flock. The correct answer is C. Pride. Here's your 17th question. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Your options are A. Venus, B. Earth, C. Mercury, D. Mars. The correct answer is C. Mercury. Here's your 18th question. Which country is the origin of sushi? Your options are A. China, B. Korea, C. Japan, D. Thailand. The correct answer is C. Japan. Here's your 19th question. What is the tallest building in the world as of recent years? Your options are A. Burj Khalifa, B. Shanghai Tower, C. Empire State Building, D. Petronas Towers. The correct answer is A. Burj Khalifa. Here's your 20th question. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? Your options are A. A positive, B. O negative, C. AB positive, D. B negative. The correct answer is B. O negative. Here's your 21st question. Which country is famous for maple syrup production? Your options are A. USA, B. Canada, C. Sweden, D. Russia. The correct answer is B. Canada. Here's your 23rd question. Which U.S. state does not observe daylight saving time? Your options are A. Texas, B. Arizona, C. Ohio, D. Georgia. The correct answer is B. Arizona.